Maswanganyi again, every time he collects the ball, the noise is just raised in the crowd. Maswanganyi now, cutback is good, the goal is excellent. Kabelo Dlamini scored a brace in last year's Nedbank Cup final, and he scores another today. The defending champions, the history chasers, have struck first, and the happy people are ecstatic. What a move, what a sweeping Orlando Pirates move. And of course it started with Tito Maswanganyi. Van Rooyen has also made a really good beginning to this game. Maswanganyi with an inch-perfect cutback, and Kabelo Dlamini with a perfect, picturesque finish. Washington Arubi was desperate. He flung himself to the right-hand side, but it was all in vain. It's all Orlando Pirates. The Buccaneers' hunger for their third successive Nedbank Cup title is palpable. It's on. And Orlando Pirates have broken the deadlock.